What's up, folks? Talk about longevity. You talk about longevity, you're talking about this phone that I'm recording with, which is the HTC U11. Now, the only reason this phone got taken out of my rotation is because my SIM tray broke. And I bought a new SIM tray. I tried to repair the phone. I actually took this phone apart. I shot a video about it, but I just never put it out. I couldn't get it working. I just couldn't get it fixed. So ultimately what you're looking at is just a device that I could possibly use for YouTube. This is actually the front camera of the HTC U11. And I used to use this phone for it was my phone to record videos. Like, it was the phone I had that I use on the channel to do all of my videos. I mean, like, to record videos of other phones and vlogs. And you can see why. One plus about this phone is that it can take an external microphone as well, like most phones. But this phone, to me, was definitely ahead of its time. HTC, I was on the website actually trying to buy the HTC U11 again. And I was also trying to buy the HTC U12. And I must have been living under a rock, because even though the site's there, it's just a shell. Because when you try to hit purchase, it takes you over to Vive.com. That's unfortunate, but I will say that at least I have, and I could go to Amazon and eBay and something like that. But I just wanted to get it directly from the source, because I trust a lot of things that come directly from the source. Sometimes buying phones that are not from the source, it could be an issue. So this phone is fantastic for shooting videos. I mean, literally, this is the front camera, and I do have two LEDs going. I have two of my LEDs going. They are really bright LEDs, but in the same token, this phone is not using a external microphone or anything. Even though I said it can use an external microphone, I don't have one. I actually have it plugged into the charger because it was at 30%, and it's got good battery, but I just wanted to shoot the video with it plugged in just to be, safe. I didn't know how long I would go with this video, but ultimately, this phone is just absolutely stunning when recording video footage. And I can't help but look over here at the feed, because I'm still mind blown at how beautiful this footage comes out. This is incredible footage to me. I mean, it's just amazing. I could definitely use this phone still to this day. If my DSLR breaks, this would be a go-to phone for vlogs. Hands down, it would be one of the best go-to phones for front cameras. I still think this camera is probably one of the top dog cameras of all time. There are just some phones that are ahead of its time, and this is one of them. So I had to give this to you one more time, man. This is just a fantastic device. No ifs, ands, or buts. And, if the SIM card still worked, I would use this phone in a heartbeat, which is why and the funny part is what triggered this video, it actually got an update. Now, it didn't update the firmware or anything, it didn't do an update to update the security patch or anything. There's no Android 10. It pretty much just removed some features that were dead already. And I thought that was strange that they did an update for that. So, it's kind of weird, but those are just things you could have uninstalled. Like, it permanently removed Google Plus, and there was a message about Google Plus is no longer available. I was like, what the heck? This is weird. But nonetheless, this is the HTC U11. Just a quick front-facing vlog. I mean, I don't even have to fire up the rear camera, because the rear camera at 1080p at 60 is ridiculous. Let's go ahead and do that. We might as well, since we're here. Let's look at the rear camera. Alright guys, so here are the rear cameras shooting at 1080p. What did you expect? They obviously are going to be really, really good. I'm going to go so far as to say that in all the things and all the phones that I have and all the things that I've done with YouTube, remember, this was in fact my go-to camera for everything for the channel. And to this day, it still stands up and holds it down better than any other set of cameras that I possibly have on the channel. This 1080p at 60 frames per second is straight up mind-blowing. It's really good. Now, even though I'm just doing a vlog with it facing myself, when you shoot videos of other things, it is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. I will put this camera up against your iPhone, your Galaxy Note, your S10. I will put it up against everything.